Google's quantum machine whispers from a million other worlds. Welcome to a profound exploration into the heart of quantum computing. Is Google's Willow chip a genuine quantum leap, or merely a fascinating multiverse myth? Stay with us as we unravel its mind-bending speed, its profound impact on cryptography, and its true significance for the future of technology. December 2024 marked a pivotal moment. Google unveiled its Willow processor, a definitive inflection point in quantum computing. This isn't merely another chip. It signifies a profound transition from theoretical concepts to systems now capable of verifiable, fault-tolerant operations, building directly upon the foundations laid by the 2019 Sycamore processor. To truly grasp Willow's significance, we must first understand the fundamental difference between classical and quantum computing. Classical computers, like the device you're likely watching this on, operate using bits. These bits are unequivocally either a 0 or a 1, a state that is entirely deterministic and predictable. Quantum computing, however, ventures into a realm where particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This profound divergence is where the true potential, and indeed the mystery, of projects like Google's Willow truly begins to unfold. Unlike classical computers that rely on bits, always a definitive 0 or 1, quantum computers leverage qubits. These remarkable units harness the counterintuitive principles of quantum mechanics, superposition and entanglement. Imagine a qubit existing as both 0 and 1 simultaneously, a complex probability distribution rather than a fixed state. This fundamental difference unlocks an entirely new paradigm of computation. Imagine a classical computer trying to solve a maze. It meticulously tries every path one after another. A quantum computer, however, operates profoundly differently. In a mathematical sense, it computes the probability of all possible paths concurrently. This ability to explore an immense, multidimensional computational space simultaneously is precisely what unlocks quantum computing's extraordinary power. At the very core of Google's Willow lies the sophisticated transmon qubit architecture. These aren't your classical bits. Instead, they are superconducting qubits storing quantum information in the complex oscillatory states of electric charge within microscopic superconducting circuits. Crucially, they incorporate special Josephson junctions, enabling resistance-free quantum tunneling, a phenomenon absolutely vital for maintaining the delicate quantum coherence essential for computation. Manipulating these delicate qubits demands incredibly precise microwave pulses. However, a significant challenge arises from crosstalk, where a pulse intended for one qubit inadvertently alters its neighbors. To overcome this, Google developed the Snake Optimizer. This ingenious AI-driven protocol meticulously choreographs the gate frequencies for each qubit, ensuring unparalleled accuracy and achieving truly state-of-the-art performance in quantum operations. The quantum qubits at the heart of Willow are incredibly sensitive. Even a stray thermal vibration can collapse their delicate quantum state, a phenomenon known as decoherence. To mitigate this, Willow must operate at temperatures approaching absolute zero, specifically between 10 to 15 millikelvins, an environment far colder than deep space, crucial for maintaining their fragile quantum properties. Achieving temperatures just fractions of a degree above absolute zero is a monumental feat, orchestrated by intricate marvels of thermodynamics, the dilution refrigerators. These complex systems utilize a sophisticated network of plumbing, circulating different isotopes of helium through multiple stages. Each stage progressively cools the processor, meticulously isolating it from the ambient thermal energy of the surrounding universe, creating the pristine, ultra-cold environment essential for quantum operations to truly unfold. However, the path to widespread quantum computing faces a critical geopolitical vulnerability: the global shortage of helium-3. This ultra-rare isotope, a crucial byproduct of nuclear weapons programs, is absolutely essential for the dilution refrigerators that keep quantum processors operational at near absolute zero. Its supply is tightly controlled by a handful of nations, leading to soaring prices and posing a significant strategic challenge for Google's ambitions to scale up. The greatest hurdle to practical quantum computing has always been the incredibly high error rates inherent in these delicate quantum systems. Enter quantum error correction, a sophisticated approach designed to tame this inherent instability. It works by encoding a single, stable logical qubit not in one, but across an ensemble of many physical qubits. This redundancy allows for the detection and correction of errors at a rate faster than they can accumulate, paving the way for reliable quantum operations. For quantum error correction to truly work, the physical error rate of the qubits must fall below a very specific fault tolerance threshold. If the errors are above this crucial point, adding more qubits actually makes things worse, simply amplifying the noise rather than correcting it. With their Willow processor, Google definitively crossed this critical threshold, marking a truly monumental success in the quest for practical quantum computing. To truly benchmark Willow's raw computational power, Google subjected it to a rigorous random circuit sampling test. This particularly arduous task involves generating chaotic, highly entangled quantum states, specifically designed to check if the quantum machine can perform calculations that are mathematically impossible for even the most powerful classical supercomputers. And in this crucial test, Willow didn't just perform, it delivered quite spectacularly, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was computationally achievable. In a truly astounding feat, Google's Willow quantum computer completed a specific computational benchmark in under 5 minutes. To put that into perspective, replicating this very same task on the world's fastest classical supercomputers would, quite incredibly, take an estimated 10 septillion years. That's a time frame far exceeding the age of our entire universe, mind you, unequivocally establishing a beyond-classical regime. But this immense computational power, designed to tackle previously unsolvable problems, introduces a profound paradox. The very mathematical complexity that renders these tasks impossible for even the most powerful classical supercomputers also makes the quantum output incredibly difficult, if not impossible, to directly verify. How do you confirm a solution when you cannot independently calculate it? This fundamental challenge has necessitated an entirely new paradigm for quantum testing and validation, pushing the boundaries of scientific inquiry. In a groundbreaking moment in October 2025, Google unveiled Quantum Echoes, an algorithm that finally resolved a long-standing paradox in quantum computing. This wasn't just another step, it delivered the world's first truly verifiable quantum advantage, a monumental leap forward. The algorithm functions by calculating out-of-time order correlators, or OTOC, effectively probing the intricate depths of quantum chaos, much like a sophisticated sonar system. It generates a distinct echo, not just a signal, but one powerfully amplified through constructive interference, revealing hidden patterns within the quantum realm. Here, Willow truly steps out of the lab and into the real world. In a groundbreaking collaboration with UC Berkeley, Google's quantum algorithm acted as a molecular ruler, accurately modeling the intricate atomic geometry of organic molecules. These complex quantum calculations, completed in just 2 hours, not only precisely matched existing empirical data, but also unveiled deeper, previously inaccessible structural information, demonstrating its immediate practical utility. The sheer, almost unfathomable speed of Willow naturally sparks profound philosophical and scientific debates. Its performance is so extraordinary, it compelled Hartmut Neven, Google's own quantum AI lead, to make a truly controversial claim. Neven boldly suggested that Willow's capabilities lend credence to the notion that quantum computation occurs in many parallel universes. This statement, while provocative, underscores the mind-bending implications of quantum supremacy, pushing the very boundaries of our understanding. Central to the most fascinating interpretations of Willow's power is the many-worlds debate. This theory suggests every quantum event spawns a new parallel universe where each possible outcome is realized. Physicist David Deutsch proposed that Willow could distribute its computational work across these countless realities, then ingeniously pool the results back through quantum interference. It's a truly mind-bending concept, blurring the lines between computation and cosmology. So, will quantum computers ever become mass-market products sitting on our desks? Not quite. The financial barrier is truly staggering. Each qubit alone can cost anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000. When you factor in the colossal research, development, and operational budgets, easily running into the millions, it becomes clear these are inherently proprietary, highly specialized resources accessed almost exclusively via the cloud. Google's Willow, while pushing boundaries in error correction, operates within a hyper-competitive quantum landscape. Rivals like IBM, with their superconducting qubits, and Quantinuum, championing trapped ion technology, are formidable contenders. Even cloud giants like AWS are investing heavily, exploring not just these, but also more exotic topological qubit designs. This isn't just a technological frontier, it's a high-stakes global race for quantum dominance. As this roadmap clearly illustrates, Willow's groundbreaking success firmly cements Google's completion of Milestone 2 in their ambitious 6-milestone journey. Their ultimate objective: to achieve a fully error-corrected quantum computer by the end of this decade, a machine capable of fundamentally transforming industries as we know them. It's an audacious vision, isn't it? One that promises a paradigm shift across technology and beyond. The theoretical Q-Day is no longer a distant concept. Rapid advancements in quantum hardware, exemplified by Google's Willow, coupled with significant algorithmic breakthroughs, have drastically accelerated this timeline. Q-Day marks the terrifying moment when a cryptographically relevant quantum computer can effectively shatter the public key cryptography that secures our entire global internet, from banking to national security. This shift from theoretical possibility to impending reality demands urgent attention and preparation. For years, the quantum threat to modern encryption seemed distant, with experts estimating that breaking RSA 2048 would demand a staggering 20 million qubits. However, a seismic shift occurred in 2025 when Google's Craig Gidney published breakthroughs, dramatically reducing this requirement to under 1 million qubits, completing the task in less than a week. This development is profound. It means even Bitcoin's formidable security could be shattered in mere minutes. Such a leap fundamentally reshapes our understanding of digital trust and vulnerability. Responding to the undeniable acceleration in quantum computing, Google's security leadership has announced an aggressive internal mandate. They aim to migrate their entire vast infrastructure to post-quantum cryptography by 2029. This ambitious deadline is a full year ahead of NIST recommendations, powerfully highlighting the immense urgency Google places on securing its digital future. The urgency around quantum-safe cryptography is starkly illuminated by threats like Harvest Now, Decrypt Later. This isn't science fiction. It's a present danger where adversaries are already stealing vast quantities of our encrypted data, patiently waiting for a future cryptographically relevant quantum computer to easily unlock it. Equally disturbing is Trust Now, Forge Later, a scenario where authentication keys could be compromised and forged, allowing malicious actors to push devastating, undetected updates to our most critical infrastructure. These are truly alarming prospects, demanding immediate and decisive action. Beyond their critical role in cybersecurity, quantum computers are poised to fundamentally revolutionize science and industry. Imagine simulating intricate molecular interactions with unparalleled precision, accelerating drug discovery and personalized medicine. Envision the design of next-generation materials for clean energy, or the optimization of highly complex logistics and financial models, all achieved with an efficiency and speed previously considered impossible. Crucially, the true revolution lies in the synergy between quantum architectures and advanced machine learning. These systems are anticipated to dramatically accelerate AI model training through massive parallelization, processing vast datasets at speeds previously unimaginable. This could usher in entirely new paradigms of agentic AI, truly transforming our world. If Google's incredible quantum journey, the impending Q-Day, and the mind-bending possibilities of the multiverse have truly captivated you, then we'd love for you to show your support. Please do take a moment to like this video, share it with your friends who might find this topic equally fascinating, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on the multiverse. Is it a scientific reality or merely a captivating myth? And for more such deep dives into the cutting edge of science and technology, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.